So after you mix the salt and water, I usually use something like this to squeeze the plantain. So I take my plantain, I go like this, I squeeze it. And then it comes out like this. And then I take my plantain out. And I keep doing the same thing over and over until I get all my plantains squished and ready to be fried. So before you fry your plantains, you want to dip it in the water with the salt before you fry it. And that's how you make fried plantain. Now this is my plantain when it's all done being smushed. So I'm going to take some and dip it in this mixture of water with salt. And keep in mind, guys, if you have lime, you can always squeeze some in there. I just didn't have any, so I just went with just salt and water. Now, once your plantain is done frying, it's going to look a little something like this. You want to repeat the same process by draining out the oil from the plantain. So this is the plantain. This is the final look. I ended up finding some lime, so I thought I would use it for some decorations. Since I'm making a video about how to make plantains, I thought I would go, you know, kind of experiment a little bit by putting some candles, making it look neat. I hope this video was useful to someone. Enjoy, dig in.